Stop overpaying for web hosting. Right now, you can get Hostinger for up to 85% off, plus an extra 20% discount, free extra months, and a full 30-day money-back guarantee, but only if you use the special link in the description. If you're starting a website, blog, or online business, your hosting can make or break everything. Slow loading speeds, downtime, and poor support can literally cost you visitors and sales. That's why so many people are switching to Hostinger. It's fast, reliable, beginner-friendly, and comes with everything you need: free SSL, easy WordPress setup, and a clean dashboard that anyone can use. You don't need to be technical. You can launch your website in minutes. Now here's where it gets crazy. When you use my link in the description, you unlock the maximum discount automatically. No coupon codes, no extra steps. You get up to 85% off, then an additional 20% off on billing, plus extra free months added to your plan. And if you change your mind, you're fully covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk. But this deal is limited and prices can go back up anytime. If you're serious about starting your website or growing online, this is the best time to get started. Click the link in the description now. Your discount will be applied instantly, and launch your website with Hostinger today.